Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this Airtel My Wi-Fi, that how we can easily reset this device. Many time it happens with us that we just forget the Wi-Fi password of this device after changing that, or if it has any problem like that, internet is not working properly, or if SIM is again and again just uh, disconnecting, or you are getting any type of any problems restarting again and again, and many problems may be there, then how we can get rid of on them and how we can reset this device in that scenario. Then how we can do, before proceeding, I'm requesting you please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, before doing so, keep in mind that after resetting this device, this Wi-Fi will disconnect from everywhere if you already changed the Wi-Fi password. But if the default password is there, then what we have to do, we have to just open the lid of front lid of this. It's installed like this, and after that you have to go to inside section over there, and over here that's showing a reset option of this device. And after that we need a SIM ejector tool or any pin for that, and we have to just tap and hold this button for a few seconds. As you can see, I'm just tapping and holding this button for a few seconds, and all the lights will blink, and that means our device has been reset right now. Now you can easily check out the password under this battery section, and you will find the password of this device, and that will be for your connections. If you like this video and understand how to reset this Airtel My Wi-Fi, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.